Today I'm going to replace a plumbing valve that goes to our toilet with this new 1/2 inch to 3/8 PEX 1/4 inch turn valve, and I'll be using the Switchblade Pro SB 5000 pipe cutter to cut the PEX piping and prep for the new valve. You'll need to make sure also that you've got the correct crimping tool and crimp rings so that you can make the fittings onto the pipe. So first things first, let's go shut off the water. So I've shut off the water. Now I'm going to depressurize by turning on the hose bib. So that way when we cut the pipe inside, don't get water shooting everywhere. Alright, so let's go replace the valve. So here we have the old gate valve that is been leaking that we're going to replace. I've disconnected the hose that runs to the toilet, and now I'm going to cut off the old fitting so that we can put on the new one. First, you got to put your clamp ring on. Probably should have gotten a towel. So you slide your clamp ring onto the PEX pipe. Take your valve or your fitting or whatever. And slide it in the PEX. And then take the crimping tool. And crimp the connection on there. And with this tool, you want to make sure that you fully close the grips all the way until it releases, so that you make sure you're getting the right clamping pressure. Right, so go ahead and close the valve so we stop leaking everywhere. And put the toilet line back on. And that's all there is to that. Just simply make sure that is screwed back on, turn the water back on, and we're ready to rock and roll. One nice feature about this pipe cutter here is that it's got a quick release blade feature. So you just push the fitting down here, and simply pull the blade up. So it comes out really nice and easily. So then you can go get your replacement blade and just slide it back in. And just push the button back down. And lock it in place, and you're ready to keep going. Folds up nice and neat. So that was it.